If you want a phone system with a side of waffle, sluggish tech, and a level of service that disappears after sign-off, you're in the wrong place. Broken and outdated systems are just that, where you might have someone at a site in Carlisle, Chile, China, or down the road in Chippenham, and all they want is a system that works. That's where we come in. Many exchanges here in the UK, and indeed globally, are being switched off. The kind of things that we provide will allow you to be able to use any device to communicate from anywhere. That means that your teams are available when your customers need them anywhere in the world. Our process isn't magic, and it's certainly not mayhem. What it is battle tested, and it's a precise process that we've honed for you. One of the first things that we enjoy doing is understanding what it is that your outcome is. That's when we start building our scope. Our scope of works will include a few important things: what we're responsible for, what you're responsible for. It will also include the exact step-by-step process and line-by-line itemization of the service that you are going to be provided with and the products that you are buying. During delivery, there'll be many parts of our team and yours that will be involved, but we'll be in touch with you as often as you need it. Many times we've seen people who have had a new system, but nobody knows how it works. During then the process of our deployment with you, we will ensure user adoptions and testing sessions are set with all of your users. What makes us different from everyone else is our speed of delivery. One of the quickest deployments we have ever had was the demerger of an aviation business from a very large tanker organization. We did that in 2 days. With BulbTech, you'll always get the right solution. Not the flashiest, not the most expensive, just the one that makes sense. Still stuck with systems you don't understand? Let's talk.